Hello, my name is Randy Dobson. I'm an instructor here in the Houston, Texas area. And this video will be covering the visual styles or visual style option in AutoCAD 3D. That is located right up here. Uh, and in this visual style, you have the option of going between these. If I go to, right now I'm on realistic, I'm sorry, I am on, realistic. If I go to uh, conceptual, you can see how these change different colors. So it's a conceptual thing. Now, for the most part, when you're working in this drawing in my class, you're either going to be using realistic or using 2D wireframe. Now, you may say, well, what is the difference? And again, this is a solid object. This isn't a bunch of lines drawn at isometric. I just want to reiterate that. But let's say that I've got this at realistic, and I'd like to select. I'm going to select this right here, but I want to get to the grips on this side. On this side, instead of rotating it around, I can go to 2D wireframe, click, and see now you can see my grips, and I can make it larger. Okay, same thing here. Let me go out a little bit. There we go. Whereas if I was in realistic, you wouldn't be able to do that. You'd only be able to see this grip, and the other ones you wouldn't be able to see behind them. Okay. Unfortunately, it's not a transparent like ortho or snap or grid or anything like that. So if you think you're going to need to move something, say like this box, I would go ahead and go to wireframe. And as you can see, I mean, I can even make it taller if I wanted to. And of course, this one you'd be able to see, but like this one here in the back, you wouldn't be able to grab these because you wouldn't be able to see them with the realistic in. Now, when you send your assignments to me, I want them to be in realistic, but I mean, I'll take anything, just not wireframe, except for your first couple of assignments. Everything else should be to look shaded like a solid object. And again, I'm just here. It actually hides the wireframe. If you notice on the wireframe, it shows these lines back here. Well, in real life, you can't see those. So what it's doing is getting rid of the hidden. And this is exactly what the object would look like. Those would be the only sizes or size that you see. And again, that is saved right up here with your visual style. There is a manager on it that I would suggest you go see. This has it where it looks like a sketch, and and it's a really nice command option to use. Mainly, like I said, I use it just to access the blue grips. And that concludes my video on visual styles. Thank you.